Right now, somewhere on this planet, a football match is being played. Somewhere else, someone is watching that match and has absolutely no idea what just happened. The referee just blew the whistle. A player is arguing. A card came out. You have no idea what the card means. You have no idea what the foul was. You are just nodding. This video is the end of that. Every rule in football explained clearly in 8 minutes. No jargon, no tactics lecture, just the rules. Let us start with the only rule everyone already knows. Scoring. Get the ball in the net. More goals than the other team. You win, you can use any part of your body, except your hands and arms. If both teams score the same number, the match is a draw. Unless it is a knockout match. Then extra time happens, then maybe penalties. One goal is enough to win a football match. One goal is also enough to ruin your afternoon, depending on which team you support. Rule 2. The kickoff. Every match starts with 1. Every goal restarts with 1. The ball goes in the center. One team kicks, the other team stays outside the circle. Which team kicks off is decided by a coin toss before the match. You will see a kickoff at the start, after every goal, and at the start of the second half. It is the most boring part of football, but now you know what it is. Rule 3. Fouls. Football is physical, but not everything is allowed. A foul happens when you do something unfair or dangerous to another player. Also, tripping, jumping recklessly into someone, grabbing shirts, the referee blows the whistle. The other team gets a free kick from where the foul happened. If the foul happens inside the penalty box, it is even worse. More on that in a moment. First, the cards. Rule 4. Yellow and red cards. Referees do not just blow whistles, they also pull out cards. A yellow card is a warning. It says, that was too much. Do not do it again. Reckless tackles, time wasting, arguing with the referee, all yellow card territory. Get 2 yellow cards in one match and they automatically become a red card. Red card means you leave the pitch immediately. Your team cannot replace you. Your team now plays 10 versus 11 for the rest of the match. A straight red card skips the warning entirely for violent or dangerous behavior. 2-footed tackles, deliberate handball to stop a goal, aggressive conduct, one bad decision, the whole team suffers. That is why cards exist. Rule 5. The goalkeeper. The only player on the pitch allowed to use their hands, but only inside their own penalty box. Inside the box, they can catch, punch, or parry the ball. Outside the box, they are just like any other player. No hands. Their job is simple: stop the ball from crossing the line. Everything else is secondary, including their dignity when they drop a simple catch. Rule 6. Handball. Using your hand or arm to touch the ball is not allowed. It does not have to be intentional. If your arm is in an unnatural position and the ball hits it, it can still be a foul. That is why you see players running with their arms tucked behind their backs when defending. The rule is simple. Do not use your hands unless you are the goalkeeper. The line between accidental and deliberate is where football arguments are born. That is what VAR is for. More on that later. Rule 7. Penalty kicks. One of the biggest moments in football. A penalty is awarded when a foul or handball happens inside the penalty box. It does not matter how minor the contact was. If it happened in the box, the ref points to the spot. The ball is placed 12 yards from the goal. One player takes the kick, only the keeper can stop it. The goalkeeper must stay on the goal line until the ball is kicked. No jumping off early. The referee is watching. A penalty is the highest pressure moment in football. One kick, one chance. Sometimes entire matches are decided by a sequence of them. Penalty shootouts. Rule 8. Offside, the most misunderstood rule in football by everyone. Here is the simplest possible version. You are offside if you are closer to the opponent's goal than both the ball and the second last defender when the pass is played. The moment that matters is when the pass is played, not where you end up. You are not offside if you are in your own half. You are not offside if you are level with the second last defender. You are not offside if you are behind the ball when it is played. It is not a foul. It is just a positional mistake. The ball goes to the other team. Think of it this way. You cannot stand behind the last defender and wait for the ball to arrive. That would make the whole game pointless. So they made it a rule. Rule 9. Free kicks. A foul happens. Play stops. The other team kicks from where it happened. The opposing players must stand at least 10 yards away from the ball. There are 2 types, direct and indirect. Direct. You can score straight from it. Indirect. The ball must touch another player first. Close to goal, free kicks create a wall, a line of players trying to block the shot. Rule 10. Substitutions. Teams can swap tired players for fresh ones during the match. Most leagues allow up to 5 substitutions per team. Once a player comes off, they cannot come back on. That is it for them. Coaches use subs to change the game. Fresh energy, new tactics, or just to stop a bad performance. The 4th official holds up a board showing which numbers are coming off and on. Rule 11. Match length 90 minutes, 2 halves of 45. But the clock does not stop when play stops, so the referee adds extra minutes at the end. Injuries, substitutions, time wasting, VAR checks, all of it adds time. You will see a board on the touchline showing how many minutes are added. If it is a knockout match and the score is level after 90, you get extra time. 2 extra halves of 15 minutes each. If still level, penalties. Throw-ins. When the ball goes out over the sideline, it comes back in with a throw. Both feet on or behind the line. Ball thrown from behind and over the head with both hands. Lift a foot, spin the ball, do it wrong. The other team gets the throw instead. You cannot score directly from a throw-in. Someone has to touch it first. Throw-ins are usually boring, unless someone launches it 60 yards into the box. Rule 13. Corner kicks and goal kicks. When the ball goes over the end line. If the defending team touched it last, corner kick to the attackers. If the attacking team touched it last, goal kick to the defenders. Corner kicks are big opportunities. Attackers crowd the box. One player swings the ball in. Goal kicks are less exciting. The goalkeeper kicks it out to restart play, but both can change a match in one moment. Rule 14. The advantage rule. Not every foul stops play immediately. If the fouled team still has the ball and a better chance by continuing, the referee lets play go on. You will see the referee stretch both arms out. That means they saw the foul but are letting it continue. If the advantage does not work out, the referee can still give the free kick afterward. It keeps the game flowing, which is the entire point of football. Rule 15. VAR, the final rule and the most controversial. VAR stands for Video Assistant Referee. A team of officials watches the match through multiple camera angles. They can alert the on-field referee if they spot a clear and obvious mistake. VAR is only used for 4 types of situations: goals, penalties, red cards, mistaken identity. Not for everything, just the big decisions that change matches. Sometimes the referee goes to a screen on the touchline to review the footage themselves. Sometimes they trust the VAR team and change the decision without looking. VAR is not perfect. It is slow. The offsides can be decided by a millimeter, but it exists to fix the clear and obvious mistakes that used to change entire tournaments. 15 rules, that is the entire framework. Scoring, kickoffs, fouls, cards, the goalkeeper, handball, penalties, offside, free kicks, substitutions, match length, throw-ins, corners, advantage, VAR. Now you know what is happening when the whistle blows. You know why the card came out? You know what VAR just did? The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome.